Hi guys, welcome to this Very Good. Today, actually, I came with some security issue, with Windows security issue. Actually, it's a really critical, and Microsoft itself announced that it's a very critical. So we have to secure ourselves. Most of the people using the Windows laptops only, and Windows servers, and it doesn't matter which version we are using, even it is a 7, 8 or Windows 10 or server 2016, 2018, 2019, doesn't matter. Wherever the service installed print spooler, by default it will install while installing the Windows, so it got impacted. Today Microsoft announced that the vulnerability is impacted for all the servers, so they given the workaround solution for this, and it's going to be released a patch for this in July 12th. They are using the Windows environment, so they are impacted. So now we have the option to protect ourselves, like disable the service print spooler, but is it difficult to say, because most of the businesses they are using the Windows server to print their invoices and the documents. So if we disable, we are not able to print any of documents, laptop or a PC to the printer, then we can print it. It's locally we can print it. When we disable the service, we won't able to print anything. So for this case, they given one workaround solution. Here I'll show you that how we have to do that. And workaround solution is called, like vulnerability, which is released by the Microsoft. It is saying that CVE 2021 3454527 is a security vulnerability. It is released on initially it is released on the 1st July, but it's updated on the today. So actually the summary, which is called, like, Microsoft aware that investigation and the remote code execution vulnerability and affects Windows print spooler has assigned this vulnerability. This is evaluating the situation and will update the CV as more information as possible, like that in the specified. And but this actually Windows Microsoft given a workaround solution. Workaround solution means it's actually not like a full-fledged solution. It's temporarily to protect ourselves, and Windows given a solution like workaround. We need to run this into the Windows Server CMD, and this is a simple command. We have the get service name spooler, and option one is actually they given the two workaround solution. One is the disable the spooler service, which we can do from the Windows service, as well as we can use the command level. The command level, we call it simple step, like we have to use the stop service name spooler post. IPM post means it's a forcefully we can stop this service. And meantime, if you are not really comfort with this command level, simply go to the services. From there you can find the print spooler service. There you can set it down. And the second one, like disabling the inbound remote printing through the group policy. This policy also Windows we can set it, like you need not to disable the service. Just we go to the registry editor. There you can put this command setup based on this policy. What it will do, still you can able to print the documents and the printer and things, and just we need to set these policies. And what we will do, we will disable this, allow the print spooler accept client connections, so it will block the remote attacks, and still you can able to connect the your local printers directly with the cable. So these are two solutions provided by the Microsoft, and the same thing we can do it level, like service level. The service level means simply no need to do, simply you go here and click onto the services. The services you can find the printer and the spooler. Same the command which is given, that is a from the command level. And if you are not really comfortable with this command level, just go to the services. There you can find the print spooler. Here properties, and here already disabled, so just you go and disable it and stop the service and apply and OK, then you are secured. actually you have to protect yourself and as well as your community, because most of the people using the Windows service, we are using this window, they are impacted. So it will cause to impact to others, because it will spread to the other PCs as well when we are using, because the attackers, they are well intelligent, so they simply track and they can able to grab everything whatever there in the PC. So it's a very simple injection. So please protect yourself by disabling the service or disable your internet. Thank you. Signing off. This will be Bairaku.